Hello guys, today for the reading assignment we are going to read Ready for Rain and write down the main idea. We're going to follow Tuesday's schedule from the second week. So we're going to read this one. So ready for rain, here we go. One warm day, the wind blows from the west. It races past meadows and over hills. The clouds gather to tell each other, storm is coming. In the woods, the pine trees bend back to look at the sky as they shake in the wind. Then, with a gentle whisper, all the pine cones close their starry tips and say, storm is coming. In the meadow, the bees gather close to the hive. With their wings, they beat a message that passes from one bee to the next. Stay close to home. Storm is coming. On the lake, the waves race to the shore. Faster and faster, they crash into the sand. Storm is coming, they gurgle. The gulls see rising waves and stay away from the water. Lower and lower, they fly towards the shore until they almost touch the ground. The wind carries their warning song. Storm is coming. The cottonwood trees hear the cries of the gulls and turn their leaves towards the clouds. The flowers see the darkened sky and hide their faces. As they sway in the wind, they swish. Storm is coming. The cows on the farm huddle under the trees as the wind blows over their backs. Every once in a while, they blow. Storm is coming. A woman smells the rain and calls out to her children, "Quick, come inside. Storm is coming." Raindrops fall as the children run into their house. Dark clouds gather and cover everything in a dim gray light. The wind howls past the windows with a roar. Lightning blasts across the sky and thunder shakes the ground. The storm is here. The frightened children sip hot chocolate and snuggle close. Inside their home, they feel safe and know it won't be long until they can say, "Sun is coming." So, the comprehension questions. Main idea. What is this story about? A. How a storm is formed. B. How animals and plants get ready for a storm. Or C. What happens after a storm. So, literal. How do bees get ready for the storm? A. They fly toward the shore. B. They hide under the trees. Or C. They stay close to their hive. So mark your answer. And the last one. How does a woman know the storm is coming? A. She hears the thunder. B. She smells the rain. Or C. She sees the lightning.